Hello guys! So try natin sagutan itong ating 2 questions for our CSE review for today. So we have here adding mixed numbers. Add 1 and 1/3 plus 2 and 3/5. So kapag ganito, mag-add tayo ng mixed numbers. Kapag meron tayong mga whole number, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is isa-separate natin yung pag-add nun doon sa fraction part. So basically, i-add lang natin itong 1 tsaka yung 2. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. And then, isa-separate natin yung pag-add sa fraction part, which is 1/3 plus 3/5. Ayan. So, ngayon, copy lang natin itong 3. And then, sa pag-add ng ating fraction part, so, yung fraction part natin is dissimilar fraction sila. So, gagamit tayo dito ng tinatawag natin na butterfly method. So, i-cross multiply muna natin yung ating fraction. So, paano ba yun? So, pag nagka-cross multiply tayo, gagamit lang tayo ng cross. Okay, and then, multiply. So, unahin na natin itong 1 times 5. This is equal to 5. Plus, so since addition tayo, plus, ito namang 3 times 3, which is equals to 9. So, yan yung sa numerator part natin. Para naman sa ating denominator part, i-multiply lang natin yung both denominator ng dalawang fraction natin. So, we have 3 times 5 which is equals to 15. Okay? So, for our final answer, so yung 3, copy lang natin yung whole number. And then, isi-simplify natin yung numerator. So, 5 plus 9, that gives us 14. And then, copy the denominator. So, for our final answer, we have 3 and 14/15 which is letter D. Okay? So for our second question for our review for today, kindly comment down your answer sa ating comment section and let's see kung nakuha nyo ba yung tamang sagot. And that's it for our review for today and I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.